This is how we process food, grinding seeds. But this is Hardesian Filipino. Yapit na may amatin ninang? Kinirog mo muna. Tapos, igiling ka da ito ni racks, 2 racks. Food grinder. Kasi guys, panay kabil na. Kabil mo dyan. Then, pusi-pusen, kasta. Tapno, magiling. Then, process na guys. Output na guys. Yan. Yan ang output guys. Naimas nga iburi-dibot. Sagpawan di bulong. Ti marunggay. Wano bulong ti paria. Yum yum. That's all for now guys. Aloha for watching. Jobs in Hawaii. Aloha, aloha.